In front of me is OPPO Reno 13F, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then scroll down, click on one of those themes. Use this switcher to manage key borders and hit apply. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Then tap on the photo you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done, manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!